I get to here, I got food problem. I got food issues.
But English was new language for me, and it was difficult for me to talk in front of people in our classroom.
How do you manage to speak English like this one today? Wagwan everyone, big up your boy here, Malik. Welcome back to the channel again for another video. So today I'm not alone, I'm with my friends from my country. So firstly, before we go for the interview, I'm gonna ask them to introduce themselves to you guys. We're gonna start with you, bro.
My name is Khalilou Koulibaly.
Yeah.
I'm from Mali, as you say.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello, this is Boubacar Ismail. I'm also from Mali.
As you guys can see, these two are studying journalism, right?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, bro, the first question I have for you guys: what's your favorite dish in India here? Like, how was your first experience? Like, I mean, how was your experience with your favorite dish in India?
So to talk, to answer your question.
Yeah.
Firstly, when I come here, Khalid knows about that. I got a problem about the food.
Yeah.
As you know, to leave your country and come to another country, as we said, if you leave your country, you leave you leave your country to come another country. You leave your culture to come in a new culture.
Yeah.
And the food also are going to change. This is normally also. When I get to here, I got food problem. I got food issues. So like I was not able to eat that food. Like some food are there, dal, rice, chapati, tikka paratha, and so on. So I got difficulties to eat them. But finally now, I'm enjoying them.
So like, what's your favorite? What's your favorite?
My favorite one is
favorite.
when they are cooking the chicken.
Mostly all the foreigners like in India, they love biryani. I don't know why, but you know, in our country, in Mali, we have biryani, right? Like zame, but it's not exactly the same. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right. So yeah.
They are different, but
I think everywhere in the world there's biryani.
It is eatable. We can eat it.
Yeah.
Than over food.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why we enjoy them.
Exactly. And I think like mostly everywhere around the world we have our biryani. For example, the people from Senegal, Senegal, they have chef gel. Nigeria, they have jollof rice. Yeah. So we have zame in our country.
Yeah.
Okay, bro. So the second question that I got for you is like, how was your first experience living? Like, you left your country to come to a new country, a foreign country.
Yes.
And in our country, we speak French and Bambara.
Yes.
And here, we speak English. So yeah, how was your first experience? How did you manage to speak English like this one today?
Yeah, well, really it was difficult, but I get a lot of experience because, as you say, in our country we just speak Bambara and French, but English was new language for me, and it was difficult for me to talk in front of people in our classroom, and also to communicate with people. But they, as you say, like, don't expect to afraid about anything. Just if you like, you can. We don't learn language, but language come to us. If you are surrounding with English speaker country, and you don't have anyone to talk in French or Bambara, obviously you will speak English.
That's true. You know, one of my friends told me that I was about to go to South Africa at that time, and he said, no, if you go, you will manage by yourself, you know, because there is no one to speak French or Bambara with you, man. That's really important. So the small advice, like, between that I have to give to my Malian brothers and sisters is like, wherever you go in the world and you don't speak the language, wherever it's English country or Arabic speaking country, just surround yourself with these people, like the people who speak that language. Don't be only in your comfort zone with your friends from Mali and from your country, and you speak the same language. Just go out, make yourself some friends, you know, try to speak the language with them, and don't be shy to speak your bad English. That's how the new and the good one will come, you see. Yeah, so that's the small advice that I have to tell to my young brothers and sisters. By the way, you have a YouTube channel, right? So tell us a bit about your channel, what you do, you know.
Yeah, first of all, I will introduce my YouTube channel to you. I did a podcast with my Indian friend. Our YouTube channel is UY's Reviews. In French, UYS Review. And in this YouTube channel, we share our feeling, and also we do podcast with international students like Abubakar. We did with Abubakar, and if new students come, they don't know anything about India. But because of us, I passed 1 year in India, I get little bit experience, and I can advise. We suggest them, if teacher don't speak English, you have to go to office and talk to them, because you are here for study, and if you don't understand, it will be difficult for you to manage this. And also Indian food, we will share our experience. You can eat this food, is good for you because you are new students. And also they will say their experience journey from their own country to India. And Indian culture also, it's diverse, but we can tell them about it, because in any country we can find good people and also bad people. And you can suggest them. If someone tell you, call you in phone call, send me money, I'm policeman or I'm this, it's maybe scammer. And you have to be careful. You don't need to take an incoming call, and you don't need, if you don't know number, don't take call, because there is a scammer everywhere, not only in India. Because of our video, many people understand Indian culture.
So you are making a big impact among the new, like your juniors. That's very important, you know. And I wish you all the best, man.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me here today. And
bro,
see you in the next one. Before you go, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also please share it with your friends, your family. And I wanted to say all the fans of J. Lalo Ruzanga, but I know the fans of J. Lalo Ruzanga are not watching this video. But hey, share it with your, with everyone, you know. And before you go again, just click here or here, I don't know, to watch another video on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.